guys, it's Jess, and we have two new wigs here to open. These I bought from Lush Wigs. I've decided to buy two more wigs after the last Lush Wig haul because I wanted to try one of their lace fronts, and since they are shipping from overseas, I decided to buy two at a time. So I decided to buy a lace front and a normal wig. The normal wig is a blonde one, kind of really similar to this one. It's about $27 like this one had been. This one is one of my favorite wigs of all time. This is the Regina, and it's really pretty and I love it. And then the other wig I bought was the Polar. The Polar is a lace front wig. It's a white lace front, and I'm really excited to try it on. The lace front was closer to $47, so a little bit more expensive, but it's a lace front, so hopefully it looks really good and is worth it. I have not had one of their lace fronts. I only own like two other lace fronts. One of them is from Amazon, one of them is from eBay, I believe China. So I don't actually own like a really high quality lace front, so hopefully this one is pretty up to par with the other ones that I have. It's supposed to be used for everyday wear, so hopefully it will hold up for cosplay, even though it's not designed specifically for cosplay. Hopefully it will work. I just ordered these back in May and they arrived in early June, so it didn't take really long for them to ship or anything. There was $11 shipping fee plus the transaction currency exchange from America to them, so it was a little bit more expensive than those numbers down there, whatever that equates to. So check down here, links and everything down there as always. Yeah, so we're just gonna open these, try them on, and I'll tell you guys what cosplays I plan to use them for, and yeah, that's about it. So we're just gonna open them, and I'm going to show you what they look like in once I open them, and then I'll try them on for you. Alright, so good news is there are two. So, oh, and a little thing fell out. Whatever this is. Lush Wigs. Thank you. So we have the Regina, which is the blonde one, and then we have the Polar, which is the white one, which is the lace front. So we're going to start with the Regina because I'm just gonna, pretty simple. The lace front one, I'll have to like cut off the lace and that sort of thing. I'll probably try that one on with the lace on and then cut it off after, but we'll see. So the Regina here, I love that they come with their little names in them because I have so many wigs that I need to know which ones are what. This one's pretty long. It's actually longer than this one. So yeah. I don't remember it being that long, but it has been a while since I've ordered them. So here we are. And this one, I'm actually kind of a little let down with the cap construction just because I hate caps that are constructed like this. It looks like one of those cheap ones off eBay with the insides, and then I can see straight through the other side, through the wefts. I don't know if you can. It's super thin in the back, which is usually what I like about their wigs, but I don't like being able to see the netting, especially with a blonde wig like this. But I am going to try it on. It does still have the tag on it, but it does look like they just kind of took like an eBay wig and put their tag on it, which is a little bit of a letdown. But I'm gonna try it on and let you guys know what I think. So be right back. And that's probably as good as we're gonna get, and suddenly I look like Misa Amane. Yeah. It is a little funky here in the front. I'm not sure what's going on exactly. It's like thick on this side and not thick on that side. The bangs are a little long, as they tend to be from Lush Wigs. A little blunt in the front too, which I don't mind, but I wanted to use this wig for Chii from Chobits. So that was my intentions. It will probably work if I can figure this bit out. Maybe we'll just like, it doesn't exist because there's none on this side, which is like really confusing. Maybe I'll just cut some more hair on that side. But overall it looks really good. It's actually a really big cap, which isn't usually the issue I have with their caps. Usually they seem to be a little bit on the smaller side. So yeah, but it's really long. It's not really tangling too bad. But it does feel like an eBay wig. But yeah, so this is what I'm planning to use for one of my Chii cosplays from Chobits. So it should work. I don't know if I'll get a new wig for her or not. It is a really cute wig though. I am starting to like the bangs a little bit better, especially for like a goth like Misa or something. But yeah, we're going to try on the next wig, which is the Polar. So I'm going to take it out and show it to you guys real quick. All the hair changes today in this video. Alright. So this one actually came with a wig cap with it. So we have the wig with the Lush label, and then we have a wig cap, which I already have on. So we're just going to take the wig out. So this one's definitely a lot heavier. It's obviously much thicker, and I believe it's even longer than this one. So this one's like to my hip, this one's to like my chest there. So all the long wigs in this one. I'm going to cut out the tag real quick. Alright, so Polar's going over here, and I'm going to show you the cap construction. This one I like much better. Looks like my other lace front wigs. So here we are. It has the little side combs, 2 side combs, a front comb. Has lots of wefts, it looks like, making it really thick. And then we have the lace in the front, which looks really well done. So kudos to this wig. I'm thinking about it now, maybe all those wefts and the way they sewed it like this is so they can have more hair. I don't know. I don't know how wigs work. I'm just a little biased with my non-lace front wigs than I am with the construction of these, because I like the front of these ones. Anyways, I don't know what I'm going on about, so I guess we're on to trying on this wig. I look like a witch, which is to say something because I have one of their witch wigs. So I haven't cut off the lace, but this one fits way better in the back. It definitely fits like one of their regular wigs. I didn't put in the hair combs because it's tight enough already. But yeah, this is just what the wig looks like on. It's really long. I feel like a witch, as I've said. But yeah, so the hair actually looks really good. I'm going to cut the wig here, the lace, and then I'll be right back so we can see what it looks like with the lace cut off. And quick, and I'll be right back. As you can tell, I cut off the lace here. So this wig actually fits a lot better than the Regina. As I cut off the lace and put it back on, I did have to use the hair clips included in them so I could get the lace to lay right, to lay flat. It did want to roll up here like I tend to get with lace fronts for some reason. But I don't have anything to tack it down with right now, so yeah, this is the best it's going to look for the moment. But overall, I really like it. It's a really nice lace front. It looks pretty freaking good, to be honest. So I totally think it's worth the money if you want to buy a lace. It's really long. It's not tangling too bad. It is a little more poofy than I would like it to be, but overall it will definitely work for the character I want to do. I'm going to use this for Dante from Aura Kingdom. So yeah, all that natural hairline and sexy angel goodness. And Regina, not so hot in my opinion. I feel like I could have gotten her from eBay and cut and styled her myself, just because I can cut and style bangs myself. But if you can't do fringes, maybe look into the Regina if you want to do somebody like Chii, if you want to cosplay Chii, or just have like a blonde fringe like that. So I did fix the fringe just a little bit. Still not perfect. Yeah, just to let you know that I did actually end up fixing it for the cosplay, just so it matches just a little better. Still looks a little wonky, but I'll work it out, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm really not disappointed too much about this haul. Polar is certainly my favorite out of these two. The Marina is still my favorite of all time, although my other 3 wigs I do like as well. But yeah, this one's competing for first place right now. So yeah, but overall worth the price. I love this store a lot to death, basically, and I can't wait to use these in cosplay. So I'm going to go ahead and cosplay. You guys have fun cosplaying or doing your own thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.